Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm gonna to show you how to enable or disable aero snap in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to enable or disable aero snap in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First click on Start. After click on Setting. Now click on System. Now click on Multitasking. And here option snap windows. So if you want to disable, so select toggle off position, and if you want to enable snap windows, so select toggle on position. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to enable or disable aero snap in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.